Ever found yourself staring at your TD US dollar Visa bill, wondering, how exactly do I pay this thing? Especially when you're dealing with different currencies, it can feel a bit confusing. But don't worry, it's simpler than you might think. Let's break down the easiest and most common ways to pay your TD US dollar Visa card. Hashtag paying your TD US dollar Visa, the lowdown. The key to paying your TD US dollar Visa card is usually through your TD EasyWeb online banking or the TD app. These platforms offer the most straightforward ways to manage your payments. Hashtag option 1, online via EasyWeb or the TD app. This is by far the most convenient method. Here's how it generally works. Log in, access your TD EasyWeb online banking or open the TD app on your smartphone. Navigate to payments, look for a section like pay bills or payments and transfers. Select your US dollar Visa, you should see an option specifically for paying your TD US dollar Visa card. Choose your source account, now, this is where it gets important. You can generally pay your TD US dollar Visa from two types of accounts. Your TD US dollar account, if you have a dedicated TD US dollar checking or savings account, this is often the most direct way to pay, as you're using US funds to pay a US dollar bill. This avoids currency conversion fees on the payment itself. Your TD Canadian dollar account, you can also pay from a Canadian dollar checking or savings account. However, keep in mind that TD will perform a currency conversion for this transaction, and their exchange rate will apply. This means the amount in Canadian dollars will be converted to US dollars to cover your bill. Enter payment amount and confirm. Input the amount you want to pay and review all the details before confirming the transaction. Hashtag option 2, setting up pre-authorized debits, PADs. For ultimate convenience, consider setting up a pre-authorized debit, PAD. This automates your payments, ensuring you never miss a due date. Online setup, you can typically set this up directly through EasyWeb or the TD app. Look for automatic payments or pre-authorized debit within your credit card management section. Payment options, you can usually choose to pay either the minimum monthly payment or the full statement balance automatically on the due date. Source account, similar to online payments, you'll need to designate a TD US dollar account or a TD Canadian dollar account from which the funds will be withdrawn. Again, if you use a Canadian dollar account, currency conversion will occur. Important considerations. Currency conversion, always be mindful of currency conversion rates if you're paying from a Canadian dollar account. These rates can fluctuate, and TD applies its own exchange rate. Payment processing time, while online payments are usually processed quickly, it can sometimes take a business day or two for the payment to be reflected on your credit card statement. Minimum balance, if you're paying from a TD US dollar checking or savings account, ensure you have sufficient funds to cover the payment. Paying your TD US dollar Visa doesn't have to be a headache. By leveraging EasyWeb, the TD app, or setting up pre-authorized debits, you can manage your US dollar finances efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.